Alright guys, hope everyone's doing well. Coming at you with a new video. I want to show you the Ames 300 watt pure sine wave inverter 24 volt version. This goes in my original power box. Show you over here. And this has stopped working. So I think the issue was last fall I used it for a big drone shoot. It was charging batteries and something was burning on this on the AC side. So I haven't used the AC side of the power box since then. We lost power last night. Went to plug something in while we didn't have power, and the pure sine wave inverter was not working. The DC side's still working on this, but nothing out of the AC. It's just out of warranty, so I think I'm just gonna, call it a loss and probably just go ahead and harvest some components off this. I like this fan. If I can get these pulls, I'm gonna take that. I think there's some things I can harvest. I know if I call customer service, they're probably gonna say, "No, it's here. Give me the song and dance." So I figured I'd make the best of things, and I'm going to order another one of these. It's been a good unit. It's too bad it's just failed here. But nothing really I can do about this. So sometimes you have wins and sometimes you have losses here. So it is what it is. Alright guys, got my savable parts here. Fans, switches, outlets. Pulls are really nice here. I'm going to definitely use those on the future build. Fuse, screws. This is going to e-waste recycling. And then I can put this in the normal recycling for metal. Alright guys, there we go. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.